Hi everybody, I'm going to show you your suggested activity for your reading assignment this week. Okay, so let's say today you are doing your reading. If you go to table of contents just like I am, it tells you that there are more than one slides this week. So you're going to probably use that arrow in a little bit to go over if you're like me on present mode. But since I'm table of contents, I'm going to click on the link to go to reading. Okay, and again, like it said, there's more than one. So if I use my arrow down below and go over, it shows me that there are a couple before it goes into writing. This one is just kind of going over what you're going to be working on this week. It does say on here to be making predictions. Okay, and remember, making predictions is I'm using all the clues that's happening in my book to make a prediction or a guess of what's going to happen next. And remember, as I read on in my book, my predictions are going to change because I have more information. Okay, so it's okay if my prediction's wrong at first. Most of the time it is going to be a little off. Okay, I'm going to click my arrow and go to the next slide though, because here I see the suggested assignment. Okay, so remember, you only need to turn in one thing to me each week for reading, just like in math and everything like that. You have one assignment to do each subject area. So in reading, this is the one that I'm suggesting you to do. And there's a big arrow, and I know I'm kind of in the way right here, but there's a big arrow that goes down to this handout. Okay, so this handout down here is going to help you with your reading this week, and I'm about to go over what it is. Okay, so there is a video here that goes over mental images and visualization with you this week. But remember, when you're reading, that's the other kind of skill that I want you working on this week. Is there are pictures in our books sometimes that help us understand, but a lot of our second grade books are like my book I'm reading, and there's lots and lots of words, okay, lots of text. So that means as I read that book, I need to create and make mental images or pictures in my brain or movies in my brain to help me understand and comprehend. So this handout down here that I'm suggesting this week, when I open it, helps you to show me what's happening in your brain, because I can't see inside your brain, obviously. So this is a good way to show me. So when I click on here, of course, this one is not one I can type on. I'll show you your suggested way to turn it in a minute. But this one is really good because it tells you, okay, write the words that you read, and then in the thought bubble, draw your picture or show me what you see in your head. Okay, so that's a good way to kind of show me that you're doing and creating mental images this week. But I'm going to go back to the slides. Of course, you could print it out here and show me it different ways, but I'm going to show you back to our slides. It also has a suggested turn-in way. Okay, again, it's suggested, so if you have another way, when I click on here in a little bit, that's fine. But it says to try out number 4. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go to number 4, and it says type on my own copy in Google Class. So you can go get that handout, and it shows you, there's a video link here of how to get it. You can get that handout this week on your assignment, and you can type on your Google Class document by making your own assignment. Okay, so have fun and keep reading and create those good mental images this week.